So I go to did my pre-trip and everything. Go to hook up to my trailer. Did my little pull tug test, and it seemed like it was latched. So I pull out the door on the yard. Once I get off the door on the yard, made the turn to go out, and I didn't get off the yard. I was still on the yard. I got maybe 800 feet away from the door, and all I felt was to do like this, and it stopped. Damn trailer that fell off. Good morning, Grand Rising, all of that. Them little dogs. Good morning, Grand Rising. It's day 2 and I'm vlogging and I am headed to work. I was off 2 days. I got some things done. I didn't get I was supposed to go to my mom's house and do my hair. I washed the truck. I did all the other stuff. But I was supposed to do my mom's hair. I didn't do it because she had an incident in her neighborhood where someone was murdered. So I was not able to go there to do that. So we're gonna have to do that another day on another one of my days off or whatever. But today I'm headed to work and I got a few minutes and I'm get ready to brush my teeth, hop in the shower, and do my thing. So yeah, I'll be back in a second. So I made it to work with 1 minute left. I was running a little late, when I get to shower and all that stuff, I be forgetting what time it is. So I be like, I be in the shower like 20 minutes. Don't take that long to wash. Don't take that long. But anywho, I made it to work, and you guys are here with me. So come on, let's go. We gotta go do this work. So first off, I gotta put my gloves on. Don't work without my gloves. You know what I'm saying? I got a frozen today, so I got like 7 stops. So yeah, gotta get to moving. I ain't got time to play around. So I hook myself up. Y'all know how I do it. I ain't gotta explain what I do. Y'all know what I do. I hook my trailer up. I got a story too. I got something to tell y'all when I get back in the truck. I'm gonna do a truck wash. Cause look at that truck. That trailer is dirty. So yeah, I got something to tell y'all when I come back. I've been holding back on you. Been holding back. Ain't tell y'all what had happened to me. What had happened. Story time. But let me roll this up and I'll be right back with you. So guys, I made it to what store? My second store, and the second store over here had a tropical smoothie. And a big boy likes to eat, so I went over there, got me they had a new smoothie, chocolate covered strawberry smoothie. I got it. And it actually tastes just like a chocolate covered strawberry. And I also got the what bowl did I get? I don't remember. Oh, I think the Bahama Mama bowl. Where's the oh with the Nutella drizzle right here? So I got that. I'm not gonna eat it right now, but I just got it because it was over here. So yeah, but yeah, I haven't forgot. I still got a story time. I just got to get time enough to record it because I didn't bring my stand to hold the phone, so I actually have to hold the phone so I can't drive and vlog at the same time. But once I get stable and I get somewhere I can sit for a second, we're gonna talk because I got something to talk about. I got something that I did that you need to know about. But anywho, yeah, give me a second and we gonna talk about it. All right, we're gonna do that. All right, go. All right, so guys, you guys remember when a couple weeks ago when it was snowing everywhere across the United States? It was snowing everywhere. It was like a blizzard. Man, I came to work that day. I was off for 2 days before while it was snowing, and then on the third day I had to go to work. So I wasn't actually working during the storm. I had got lucky enough to be off those days. So in the meantime, when I was off, no one drove my truck. So snow was all on the truck everywhere, on the fifth wheel everywhere. Yeah, so I go to did my pre-trip and everything. Go to hook up to my trailer. Did my little pull tug test, and it seemed like it was latched. So I pull out the door on the yard. Once I get off the door on the yard, made the turn to go out, and I didn't get off the yard. I was still on the yard. I got maybe 800 feet away from the door. And all I felt was to do like this, and it stopped. Damn trailer done fell off. Damn trailer done fell off the tractor. It fell off the tractor, but it didn't fall all the way. A corner of it was on the back tire over here, and the electrical connection came off from the truck, and the two airlines they stayed connected. They didn't break or anything, so that was good. So I didn't cause any damage or anything, but I had to get over there and roll that damn trailer up in order to back under. And you tell me it was cold, and I was annoyed, very annoyed, because that never ever I never ever ever had anything happen to me like that. I even looked under the trailer to see if the thing was engaged, and it looked engaged to me, but it wasn't all the way engaged. As I think about it, it wasn't all the way engaged because once I made that turn, that's when it came off. It came loose. So always check your fifth wheel when it's cold and when it's free freezing ice and all that, because that thing could get frozen like anything else, and ice is kind of hard to break off. So word to the wise, just always pay attention to that right there, because it could have been much worse if I was on the road, on the actual road, and the trailer fell off. It could have hurt somebody, but it didn't. So I'm glad, and I'm grateful, and I'm appreciative of that. But I just wanted to let you know, I don't want to just tell you guys all the good stuff that go on. I want to let you know the real life stuff, things that I do that might be messed up. I want to let you know about it. You know what I'm saying? But because you might can learn from something that I've done. You know what I'm saying? And vice versa. And I can learn from you guys. So yeah, always check that. But that was kind of scary because that never happened to me before. So now, and it happened on the middle of the yard. So this was during the daytime, around about 12 o'clock. So a lot of the drivers seen it. So some of the drivers still pick with me today. And like this guy named Roy, I came past him today, and he was back into a trailer, and he was doing this tug and pull test, and he made sure he let me know that that's what he was doing. Like I didn't do mine, he didn't want to do a little picking and stuff. But I'm a pro at this thing. You know what I'm saying? Things happen all the time. So at the end of the day, and at the beginning of the day is gonna end, and it's gonna be all right. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be all right. You learn from it. You learn from your stuff. You ain't gotta hide and all that stuff. Be real with yourself,
and be real with the world. Because that's what's gonna show up. Authenticity. Let me get it right. Authenticity. It was too many syllables in that word. I had to get it right. You know what I'm saying? Authenticity. And that's what I'm trying to be. Authentic. Real. No fake here. But that's all I had to tell you. You know what I'm saying? I had a little time, but I broke it down, and you know what I'm saying, so you guys can get it. So I don't be going on and on and on, because I will go on and on and on. You know what I'm saying? But anywho, just watch that. So I got 4 more stores left, and we'll see what I have to do when I get back. But at the end of the day is going to end. Right. See, we washed the trailer. It's washed. The truck is washed. The water's still leaking, but look at it. But it's clean, look, it's clean. It ain't like it was before. So I made it back home off work, and now I'm about to go take me a shower and lay it down, because tomorrow's another day, and tomorrow I have to work again on Valentine's Day. So you guys, I want to say happy Valentine's to you guys, and yeah, if you celebrate it, if you don't, I'm still saying it, happy Valentine's Day. But I'm back at the house, and yeah, I'm gonna take my clothes off, take a shower, and call it a day. But I'll see you mañana. Look at that vat. I gotta have a wing on mine. It just look different without the wing. But I still like it though. I still like it. Look at it. Well, guys, I made it to work. Day 2. It's Saturday. Happy Valentine's Day to all the love in the air. Happy Valentine's Day. Because it's Saturday. Valentine's fall on the Saturday, so I know people are going to be out spending money, going on dates and all that. But I'm going to be here at work making the money. So, yeah. I really don't want to be at work, but I'm here. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to hype myself up. But, you know, it is good. I'm blessed to be working. Yeah, blessed to be working. But I'm here waiting, about to go clock in now, you know, get my day started. And hopefully it's a short day, because I don't really feel like being here today. And I could be at home making, baking a cake for Valentine's Day or something. But I'm here. But anywho, yeah, I brought my tripod today, so I can actually mount the phone up today. So we're gonna do a little of that today, and then once we do that, you know what I'm saying, you can see everything that I'm doing, like when I'm hooking and dropping and all that stuff, and you know, things like that, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm a little prepared today. So at the end and the beginning of the day is going to end, right? So enjoy the day. That's it. That's the truck row right there. The truck row. So I made it to the trailer. I got the trailer hooked up back there. You see it. Got the trailer hooked up back there. I'm going to my first store in Chesterfield. I got 19 pallets on this one. They're gonna unload the 19 pallets, and I'm gonna come back here and see what I have next. So yeah, we'll see what we got next after that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go and do that, and I'll be back with you guys in a second. Today is Sunday. I'm back at work again. Yeah. I ain't do nothing else the rest of the day yesterday, so I ain't even bring y'all back on. But I'm here today, and we back. We're back. So, yeah.
We back. I gotta do something with my truck because half of my rock lights ain't working. Like the ones under the wheel well, they're not working after I changed the battery. So we gotta figure that out. Like we really gotta figure that out. Because I know I haven't had those rock lights. I got them a year in February. So this is a year. They shouldn't be going out like that. Come on now. I ain't get them from China, I don't think. Look at it. Today must be truck day. Ram day. Ram. Big Ram. Middle Ram. But that's the big Ram. The big one.
You know what I'm saying? And then he just sitting here.
Look at Kavari. Look at it. Look at it. Psych. That ain't Kavari. Kavari is neon fluorescent orange. Y'all have a good day. Thank you for watching the video. Peace.